I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking the Bauer frame and hardware. You want solid posts and intact pegs so the net holds under load. Once done, drape the net over the rear crossbar and orient the mesh so panels align with each post. Feed the top hem over the front and rear bars next. This gives even coverage and prevents twists. Make sure to have your lace and cord locks at hand because you will immediately begin threading at the top corners to set initial alignment. You now concentrate on consistent threading so the net sits true. Start at top corner and work in toward center, then switch to the opposite corner to balance tension. This prevents one side from pulling harder than the other. Feed lace through the hem and each frame hole every 6 to 8 inches, and use cord locks or temporary clamps to hold sections while you continue. When you reach the posts, wrap and double loop at peg points. These are the high-stress areas. Finish by anchoring the bottom hem to the base frame and each goal peg. Pull tight so there is minimal sag and the pocket depth is uniform. Once anchored, trim excess lace and finish with locking knots, tucking ends inside the hem to avoid fray. Then test the goal with progressive puck shots and a few hard drives to check bounce and retention. If the net bulges or pucks slip through, retension the nearest panel and reinforce that section with an extra wrap. That single fix solves most fit issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.